everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 12, Present Simple Negatives. Remember, for present simple, we only change the verb for she, he, and it. I, you, we, they는 verb 그대로 쓰면 돼요. In the negative form, for I, you, we, and they, we need to use don't. Do not contraction, don't. Plus the verb. For she, he, and it, or the third person, we need to use does not contraction, doesn't. Plus the verb. For example, I drink water. Negative, I don't drink water. Or she drinks water. In the negative form, she doesn't drink water. When we use a negative in the present simple tense, we do not change the verb. verb은 그대로. Same for the third person, she, he, it에서도 doesn't 사용할 때 the verb는 그대로. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go, 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 go! On page 37, we need to look, read, and circle. Number 1, Mary, okay, she죠. Has 또는 doesn't have a cat. 이게 고양이인가요? No. 그럼 없죠? 고양이가 없으니까 Mary doesn't have a cat. She, 강아지가 있다. She has a dog. Number 2, she, milk. 오, 우유 마시고 있잖아. she니까 verb에서 s 또는 es를 붙여야 돼. She drinks milk. She, coffee. 커피는 안 마시잖아. She doesn't drink coffee. Good job. Number 3, the boys. boys는 they. 그러면 동사는 안 바꾸는 거죠? They, play soccer. The boys, soccer. 오, 축구하고 있네. The boys play soccer. They don't play baseball. And number 4, they, to work. 여기 학교인데? They don't go to work. They go to school. Great job. Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 38, we need to read and write don't or doesn't. Remember, don't is for I, you, we, and they. Doesn't is for the third person. She, he, it. My sister, 그럼 she겠네? Doesn't brush her hair at night. Number 2, I는 she, he, it가 아니라서 we need to use don't. I don't take a bath every day. Number 3, Tom은 he니까 Tom doesn't go shopping every day. Number 4, Amy. she라서 Amy doesn't do the dishes at night. Number 5, they. she, he, it가 아니라서 they don't have a dog. Number 6, we. she, he, it가 아니라서 we don't listen to music in the morning. Great job. In part 3, we need to choose and write the correct form of the verb. In our verb box, we have do, 하다, drink, 마시다, have, 있다, live, 살다, study, 공부하다, use, 사용하다. Number 1, they, she, he, it가 아니라서 they live in an apartment. They live in a house. 아파트에 살지를 않고 집에 산대. So we need to use they don't live. Number 2, my grandma. My grandma는 she고 My grandma, a dog. She has a cat. 이것도 negative이네. My grandma doesn't have a dog. She has a cat. Remember, 끝에 나오는 동사는 그대로 남겨야 돼. 다만 우리 affirmative 문장에서는 has로 바꿔야 돼. Because it's a third person. Number 3. I the dishes. I do homework every day. 여기도 negative에서는 I니까 I don't 안 하다. I don't do the dishes. Number 4. Ken Chinese. He studies English. 중국어를 안 배우고 Ken은 he니까 doesn't 사용해야죠. Ken doesn't study Chinese. He studies English. Number 5. My mom and dad coffee. They drink tea. My mom and dad은 they죠. 그럼 we'll use don't. My mom and dad don't drink coffee. Number 6. Mr. Lee, a typewriter. He uses a computer. Mr. Lee는 he라서 doesn't 사용할게요. Mr. Lee doesn't use a typewriter. Please check your answers and we'll go to the last page. On page 39, we need to review lesson 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We need to look and write and correct the form of the verb. Number 1, my dad, so he라서 여기 sh 있으니까 es를 붙일게요. My dad washes his car every Sunday. Number 2, Amy, the violin. She plays the piano. 오, 이거 negative이네. she라서 doesn't 사용해야 돼. Amy doesn't, 동사는 그대로, doesn't play. Number 3, Ken and Sid. They, cats. They have dogs. they라서 don't 사용할게요. Ken and Sid don't have cats. Number 4, they the dishes together every evening. they라서 동사는 그대로. They do the dishes together. Number 5, Ken English and math every day. Ken is he. 그러면 Y to I-E-S. Ken studies English and math every day. In part 2, we need to read and circle. There any orange juice? Orange juice is non-count, so we need to write is. Is there any orange juice? Number 2, there are cookies and ice cream. Some is for plural nouns and non-count. Any is for negative and questions. 근데 있다고 하니까 negative은 아니고 질문도 아니라서 some circle 할게요. Number 3, there is a monkey. Monkey has a banana. 그 원숭이는 the monkey. Good. In part 3, we need to look and write. Number 1, the house isn't small. It's a 큰 집, big house. Number 2, they are not students. 학생은 아니죠? They are 애기들. baby가 아니라 we need to change the Y to I-E-S. babies. Number 3, the cat is than the dog. 여기 than가 있어서 비교하는 거야. 그럼 er 사용해야지. 고양이가 더 작네. Smaller than the dog. Number 4, the laptop is than the typewriter. 여기도 than가 나오니까 비교하는 거네. Laptop $850. Typewriter $300. 둘 다 비싸긴 한데 which one is? 하나 더가 laptop is 비싸다. expensive. Remember, 3 syllables가 있어서 we need to use more. More expensive than the typewriter. Great job. Please check your answers and stay for our review game. Ready to play our present simple negative review game? Remember, if our subject is I, you, we, or they, we use don't. If it's a third person, she, he, or it, we use doesn't. Let's start with number 6. He doesn't 또는 don't wash the plates. he라서 doesn't 사용해야죠. He doesn't wash. Number 4. They doesn't or don't go to the park. They는 third person 아니라서 don't 사용하겠죠? They don't go to the park. Number 1. He doesn't or don't have breakfast. he라서 doesn't 사용할게요. Doesn't have. Number 8. We doesn't or don't kiss a baby. we니까 third person 아니야. We don't kiss a baby. Number 5. She doesn't bake or don't bake. she는 third person 맞으니까 she doesn't bake. Number 7. She doesn't or don't write a letter. she third person 맞네. She doesn't write a letter. Number 3. They doesn't or don't study. Good. They don't study. Number 2. We doesn't or don't play games. Good. We don't play games. Number 9. He doesn't or don't listen to music. Good. He doesn't listen to music. You did an awesome job! 135 points! You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?